Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So far we have already covered several, let's see, from basic topics to the, let's see, somehow not advanced but really somehow advanced topics like list, table, dictionaries, and also the functions. And here we have also introduced the principle of computer vision. And in today's video, we would like to dive into the object-oriented programming. And maybe you have written a bit of code, but when your project get, let's say, big, it all feels messy and hard to manage. And this is the secret of object-oriented. Turn the, let's say, the chaos into the clear structures and also professional, let's say, applications. So this object-oriented, I will try to make it generally so you can apply it, or let's say use it in any field. So what I would like to, let's see, to explain here is the general, let's see, the object-oriented programming and apply it for the computer vision applications. So, if you see here, let's see this image here, we will try to see what is the attribute and objects. So, model, let's see, if, regarding the computer vision, I will try to model your images, processes, pre-processing, and much smart object, making your code easier to understand. And someone will say, I already I'm happy with functions. I can do whatever I want, and this is right. I will say this is right, but I think you are working maybe with a small project, or maybe you are working maybe alone, not in a, let's say, in a team. But if you are working on a team, it's hard to organize a code with functions. This is my experience. And the second one is method cans. So discover how and when let's use different methods, instances, classes, and static for the let's see coding flexibility, and the encapsulation. Learn to protect and manage your data, so only the right parts of your code can be touched, let's see, and like keeping your let's see toolbox, let's see, or the application more organized. And the abstraction, it's like cut through the noise, hide complexity, and let the user work with your code safely and, let's see, simply. And the most, let's see, important branch, or let's see item, or is abstract class. So it's like creating a blueprints. So I mean, personally, I consider abstract class as a contract, and every employee has to sign the same, let's see, contract, and follow the same procedures and instructions. So it will make, let's say, the programming light. I mean, professional and also easy to handle. This is my perspective. And the polymorphism make your processor, let's see, easy, give you code that the adaptive as you are. For instance, if you have defined, let's see, functions with, let's say, for instance, just you have a function to read images, and these images might be PNG, JPEG, and the other one. So the polymorphism, it's the same function but with somehow different arguments. So, and this is, let's see, the general idea. So what we will learn in this let's see, videos, I will see. So in the beginning, we will try to start what to define what is the object oriented, what why it's matter for computer vision, or not only for computer vision, for any application. And we will see how to organize. I mean, we'll study the difference between object oriented and also the functions. And we will see how to define classes, the difference between classes and also functions, and let's say and when to use which. For instance, sometimes you need to use the functions. It's not needed to create a class. We will see when, and also sometimes you need more. You have to create a classes. We will see also when and how, of course. And the third one is, let's see, what is the attributes method organizing the classes. And for this, we will try to create a project from scratch, and starting from defining the class, defining the attributes, objects, construction, and everything. And I will try to make it, let's see, a real application. So what we already have learned from the beginning till now, I will try to use it in this, let's say, project, and also more advanced. And also the constructors, and also methods, instance classes, what is the static method, and what is the, let's see, inheritance, and when to use inheritance. And also I will try to build, I mean, with all of these, I will try to build a project, uh, let's see, real project for image processing. So and yeah, this is, let's see. And also, yeah, by the way, I will try to give you introduction, not introduction. I will try to use it, this magic methods like string, equal, and etc. This called danda methods. And also the data class, what is the data class, and how to use it, and when, let's see, to use it. And more advanced, I will try to, maybe when I have time, I will try to explain some design patterns. What are the most, I mean, all of the design patterns are important, but when you would like to use it, sometimes it may, you have an idea, and you might use, for instance, one of the designs pattern, or maybe mixed. And yeah, so in this series, object oriented becomes your, let's see, friend, I will say, turning your idea into real robust computer vision or any application, as is in the beginning, apps. So if you like this video, and you're interested in the coming upcoming videos, please subscribe into my channel, like the video, and of course, if you have any question, or you would like, let's see, anything to be covered here in this series, please write it down in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.